Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant VAN84 connection error on Windows 11. First, try restarting your PC. This can clear small temporary issues that may block the game from running. After your PC restarts, find the Valorant shortcut, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Running as admin gives the game the permissions it needs to connect properly. If the problem continues, the next step is to reset your network settings. Open Windows Settings. Go to Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings. Look for Network Reset and follow the instructions. This will restore your network configuration to default, which can fix problems caused by corrupted network settings. Another common cause is the VGC service, which is part of Riot Vanguard. Open the Windows search and type Services. Open the app from the search results. In the list, locate VGC. Right-click it and choose Properties. Set the startup type to automatic so it always runs when Windows starts. Then click Start if the service is not running. This ensures Vanguard is active and ready when you launch the game. If none of these steps work, reinstalling Riot Vanguard can help. Go to the control panel and uninstall Riot Vanguard. After it is removed, start Valorant again. The game will automatically reinstall Vanguard, replacing any corrupted files. Following these steps usually solves the connection error. Thanks for watching.